my god, there's nothing to cook. Wait, is that a turtle? I can make turtle soup with that. Come here, little turtle. We get the knife and then turtle soup, turtle soup, turtle soup. Okay, he looks dead enough. Oh man, let's put it in a pot. Right there, right there. With a side of mushrooms too. Get the knife, turtle soup. Let's, he looks dead enough. Now time to cook. Yeah, turtle soup is gonna be delicious. Oh my God, Chef, what are you doing? I'm cooking some turtle soup. No, you're killing the species of this world. Does a side of mushrooms seem well? No, first you throw away a box of the Happy Meal golden thing, and I got stuck in it. And now that. Oh no, how about you take a cat shot in the chest? Wait, what? Wait, what? Ow.